Hey guys, welcome back. I've got the GE radio, the HJ-514. Back on the bench, I finished the electrical restoration, last year, but I never got around to doing anything with the cabinet. So I want to wrap up on that this spring. Hopefully the rain will move in soon, knock some of the pollen down. It's so bad outside I can't breathe. Anyway, you can see the cabinet. It's not in bad shape, but I'd like to go ahead and clean this up, strip it, refinish it. You can see the darker band here on the bottom. The louvers for the grill area are just a little darker as well. That may just be the wood itself or a different toner lacquer that was applied. And you can see the main part of the body, the toner lacquer that was used, and then on top it's pretty much gone as far as the finish is, but you can see some spots where it's darker, so that probably was a darker finish that matched that bottom section. So you've got the darker band, probably a darker top. Louvers look a little lighter, have a little bit of a reddish tint, and then just a brown base here. Let me zoom out so you can see it. So when the wind dies down, I think we're supposed to get some rain tonight or tomorrow. Let some of the pollen disperse. I'll go outside and strip this thing down with some lacquer thinner, do some sanding, and prep it for a finish. I may use stains, or it may be lacquer. I'll have to decide on that when I get to that point. I'll bring you guys back when I get to that point and let you know what I decided and show you what it looks like. In addition, you can see the old dial cover. It's not the best of the best, but it's not terribly bad as well. I may try to replace the plastic there, or just clean it up with some plastic polish and let it be.